Hey guys, are you hungry for knowledge and are you looking out to learn so that you can increase your earn? Let me ask you one more question. Are you looking out for which are the skills which are in high demand so that my earnings can increase? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, I would be sharing with you the skills that you should learn so that which are in high demand so that you can increase your earning. Stay tuned on this video. Hey guys, this is Professor Miithyl Dave and welcome to MD's World of Concepts. In this video, I would be sharing with you 8 skills which are in high demand that you should know either of them to increase your earnings. Let's get started. So the first one is you need to understand and you need to learn the Google SEO and how it works and the AdWords which supports with Google. Why? Because all the startups, all the businesses are slowly migrating towards online from their offline skills, and in that way they want to get searched in the first top 10 websites or links whenever anyone search for them on Google. So only to master that, you need to master the Google SEO and the AdWords. The second skill that you need to know is copywriting. It's about how you should write, what you should write so that more people are attracted towards you by giving value. So in that bargain, you can increase your earnings. There are many bloggers who write fantastic blogs and they give value addition to the people, and in that way they earn a lot. So the second skill that you need to learn, and which is right now one of the most important, is copywriting. The third skill is coding. There is a huge demand for website development, for app productions, for developing apps. Why? Because as I earlier told you, there are many businesses who are migrating from offline to online. They need people with that skill and they are ready to pay huge amount to them, because these are the skilled people who can design websites or who can cater to the needs of all these business houses. The fourth one is project manager. There are many projects in the world right now, and there are many people who are looking out for project managers or for project people who can take this projects and can develop. Now this, what basically are the projects? Projects can be anything from designing a website to designing any graphics to maintaining their social media or digital marketing. So the fourth skill that you need to know is project managing. The fifth is Facebook advertising. Facebook is a huge platform which earlier was only about connecting to friends, but now Facebook has taken it to another level where people now do a lot of business, and if you are not on Facebook, you are considered as a stone age. So in order to market your products, in order to market any other product or businesses, you need to know the skill of how to do Facebook marketing, how to do Facebook ads. The sixth one is digital marketing. Since everybody now has a Facebook profile, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, there are people who still don't know about it, and they want to hire maybe freelancers, or they can want to get them into their own roles. Those are the people who know the knowledge of how to create the profiles, and not just create but to increase the followers or the subscribers. So there is a huge demand for the people who are certified or who knows the knowledge of digital marketing. The next is data management. Since it's all about digital and it's all about getting data from the various websites, how do you manage those data and how you can convert into a funnel whereby you get the data, and from that data you are able to outsell them or to sell them any of the products. How you can do that? You need to know, you need to understand the skill, you need to understand how the traffic is managed. And last and not the least, one of the most important is web development. When it comes to web development, it's a huge umbrella where there are many small factors which comes into action. We are talking about apps, we are talking about websites, we are talking about blogs, and we are talking about anything which is on World Wide Web, www. So my request to you guys, if you have a spare time, I have already made another video where what you need to do in your spare time so that you can increase your earning by learning a lot of things. This is somewhat an associated video for that. This is Professor Miithyl Dave signing off. Bye bye.